Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the menu, cheesy meatball stroganoff. This is a quick and easy dish to put together. We're going to start with some store-bought meatballs. Then we're going to make a rich brown gravy using mushroom and onions. And instead of using sour cream, we're going to add a little heavy cream to richen up our gravy. So today I'm using the traditional egg noodles to make my stroganoff. And you just want to follow the instructions on the packet and drain your noodles well and set that aside. So we want to make this easy as possible. So I went ahead and transferred my noodles to another container, and we're going to use the same Dutch oven. Add some oil. Then you want to add your meatballs. I like to get a little color on my meatballs. So we're just going to cook them until they're brown. Add your pasta back to your meatballs and give everything a good toss. We're going to go ahead and start layering those flavors by adding some parsley. And now it's time to start working on the star of the show, the gravy. The first thing I want to do is make some chicken broth. So I have 4 cups of hot boiling water, and I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and that's our chicken broth. To make our gravy, you're going to need some mushroom and some onion. This is a good base for your gravy. I have my skillet on medium high, and I'm going to go ahead and add some butter and let that melt. Once our butter is all melted, we're going to go ahead and add our flour, and we're going to mix until everything is all melted together. At this point, you want to turn your heat down to low. Go ahead and add your vegetables to the saucepan, and we just want to cook this for the next 5 to 10 minutes till everything is tender. So take a look at my mixture. Everything looks a little bit tight. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little olive oil to loosen things up and continue to cook. To season up our gravy, I like to go ahead and add all my ingredients before I add the broth. I have 1 envelope of Lipton soup mixture, and this is the mushroom and gravy. It's looking good, guys. Next, we're going to add our onion powder. We're going to follow that up with some garlic powder. This is not a must, but this is a special ingredient I enjoy adding to my dishes. And this is the herb and Italian seasoning. And it has like garlic and different herbs in it. It has like a minced garlic and different herbs in it. And I find it to be a really nice treat for my dishes. So we have all our seasonings in, and now we're going to slowly add our chicken broth in. Now guys, make sure you taste your broth and make sure it's to your liking. And we're going to put a lid on this and we're going to let this continue to simmer. Now you guys know I love my Parmesan. So we're going to add 1 whole packet of the Parmesan to our gravy. Look what that Parmesan did to that gravy. How beautiful is that? Y'all take a look at that sauce. Tell me that's not a beautiful, beautiful, rich looking gravy. So the only thing we're going to do now is add a half a cup of heavy cream. I know the tradition is to add sour cream, but we adding heavy cream. And when I tell you, it was awesome. You want your sauce to slightly thicken. And then we're going to add that to our meatballs and our noodles. Now it's time to add everything together. This beautiful rich gravy with the egg noodles and the meatballs. Guys, this dinner is a winner. Hold up, we're not done yet. It is called cheesy meatball stroganoff. So we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. We're going to place our lid on, and then we're going to give it about 10 minutes to melt. And then we're going to stir everything together. And we are ready to plate this meal. Guys, when I tell you it was awesome, this was an awesome dish. Guys, cooking is all about being creative. Take out the things you don't like, replace them with something that you like. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.